Welcome to GNet Connect. In this video, we'll walk through how the needs system works. When you can't cover a job, the needs feature helps you reach the right partners instantly. A need is a request you post when you want help fulfilling a trip from the GNet network. From creation to connection, and how notifications keep participants informed throughout the process. First, go to your dashboard. Click on Partners from the left navigation to open the menu. Choose Need. Click on Create New Need. Give your need a title and a description. Double-check the email and provide consent for WhatsApp notifications. Make sure to provide a location for your need. Otherwise, GNet members won't receive a notification. Click on Save. The need is broadcast to relevant partners on GNet Connect. Partners can discover the request in their network view and are notified based on their individual notification settings, such as email or WhatsApp. Partners who review the need can reply directly if they're able to help. Each reply triggers a notification to the original requester, allowing the conversation to continue and a connection to form. Users can adjust their notification preferences at any time, controlling how and where they receive updates related to needs. Enter an address to receive notifications when a job is posted within a 60-mile radius of that location. Subscribe to a specific partner to receive notifications for all job postings from that affiliate. To receive notifications via WhatsApp, user consent is required. To recap, the needs system enables users to create requests, share them across the network, receive responses from partners, and manage notifications in a clear and structured way. Understanding this flow helps ensure timely responses and effective connections.